coffee. I have been up all night with Rolly, that's what we call him, for the past month, doing like feedings every 2 hours, and I don't get much sleep. So whenever it's time to finally wake up and start the day, I need that cup of coffee or else I am no fun to be around. So today I wanted to make something really cozy, and I got the inspiration for this recipe from Phil's Coffee. The other day we were able to go out as a family and treat ourselves to a mini walk and a really delicious coffee which tastes exactly like an oatmeal cookie. It's a oatmeal cookie latte. So I broke it down and it's really easy to make. For the coffee, I just got a medium to fine grind of dark roast mixed with hazelnut roast. I have about 2 tablespoons of the ground coffee that I'll add to my Vietnamese coffee filter. You can add this to a French press, your regular coffee filter, whatever you have. Then to the filter, I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, and then we tamp it down and fill it up with hot water. All right, it's just about done percolating, so I'm gonna take the filter off. Look at that, you have a nice espresso shot. And then just to kind of sweeten it up, I'm gonna add a little bit of brown sugar, just as I would with an oatmeal cookie, a little bit of vanilla extract, and then to put the oat in our oatmeal cookie latte, some oat milk. Oat milk also helps with producing breast milk if you guys are nursing. So this is an ingredient that packs a double punch. And that's all there is to this cozy cup of oatmeal latte. Wait, oatmeal cookie latte. It honestly tastes like a real oatmeal cookie. Let's make it a little bit sweeter.